Now from yoga bar, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ we came towards investing, angel investors ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, how do you all think, what do you see? Now bringing back the attention on ಇದು food, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, what you eat ಎಲ್ಲ. today I think after COVID people are very conscious about health conscious,
Yes,
let's say.
yes.
ತುಂಬಾ they want
Protein
to invest.
conscious. Also people have understood because of Instagram, ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಲುಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ you have to eat well. That's the primary way.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ನನಗೊಂದು ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ದು ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ವಿಮೆನ್, ದ ಮೋರ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಮಸಲ್ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಮೋರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈಬರ್ ರಿಚ್ ಫುಡ್, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದು ಬೇಗ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು, ಮಸಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ವೇಟ್
You look
ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್.
young, you have more energy. ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಯು ಆರ್ ನೌ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ 4 roles. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಫೂಡಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಫೂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
Nice. So today you have protein bar, you have multigrain energy bars and all of that, no?
We have now we have everything.
Too many
so we
things.
have
Muesli.
Muesli actually is our number one success because we have taken a lot of category share from Kellogg's. But now we have also entered kids food. So chocos ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು chocos market ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವುದು chocos is full of maida. ನಾವು millet ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So we take it all from the farmers in Karnataka. So
Oh wow.
big thing for
Of course.
Bangalore and farmers and all of that. So that is also motivation. ಅದು primary motivation is not actually money. Primary motivation is
Purpose.
Are you in purpose? Are you in a business which is actually doing good? Are you in a business where the ecosystem also you're able to develop? So we are now one of the large procurement people of millets in the country because we introduced millets before we normalized millets before anybody else. So we use it in our chocos. 70% is millet in our chocos. Now, even in the muesli, now 15% plus is millets. The energy bars are now 20% millet products. So we kind of made packaged millets popular in packaged food.
Interesting.
So we do chocos now. We do protein. We do muesli. We do bars. We do oats. We are now doing protein powders. So we're doing the entire gamut of products. We do quinoa. We sell quinoa.
Yeah.
We sell dry fruits. So we sell everything.
Nice.
Everything healthy.
So some believe that, less is more. Some basically eventually once they have a hero product,
Yeah.
ಅದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು they, like how you have done like, gamut of products around that health, whatever.
All health. So
what is
3-4
easier?
criteria. 3-4 criteria. ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, 100% ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನೋ ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್, and first 5 ingredients of the product have to be all healthy. Millets, dry fruits, seeds, nuts, ಆ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು.
That's your thumb rule.
That's
like,
our thumb rule.
First 5 products should be.
And chemical ಇರಬಾರ್ದು.
Okay.
And high protein. Protein is we introduce protein muesli, protein oats, everything. So even in the children's category, we are going to have protein pancake mix.
Oh.
So but protein is a very, we introduce protein in the form of edible food. Yellaru protein powder, whey protein. It's not possible for everyone to eat protein. Just whey protein powder. So
I think ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು because you wanted convenience.
Convenience, yeah.
You wanted somebody, like also I read somewhere 40% of people like they skip breakfast.
Yes.
So ಹೀಗಾಗಿ bars ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ you are basically making health convenient.
Of course. It is true. We also say it. ಆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ, if you're getting food at home, if you're getting your idlis, don't touch us. Don't eat us.
Because
But today, there's a working mother. You need to give snack box. You need to give something for your kid. You don't have time to eat yourself. You're not able to calculate the protein. This is convenience. This is the most, in packaged food form, this is the healthiest product you'll find.
Yeah. So talking about the food industry, the controversies today, Suhasini ಅವರೇ, I'm sure everybody talks about one Coke ಅಥವಾ whatever pesticides ante. Cadbury had that worm scandal. Maggie ತೋಪ like the flag bearer of ಹೊಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಗೆದ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಆದರೆ, ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಲೈನ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಈಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್? ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಓವರ್ ಕಿಲ್ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ, ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ, ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸ್ಕೆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್. Dude, it's packaged, it's preservative, label ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಜಾನಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್?
ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ರಶ್ಮಿ, ನೀವು ಸಮರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು 1,000 crores ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನೀವು ಸಮರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಇವನ್ ದೋ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅವೇರ್, ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. And ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು, I mean, it's not 100% maida with so many preservatives. How can it be good? You know? And there was a very popular influencer, Revant. He did a big post on LinkedIn, YouTube, and all that about how much sugar Bonvita has, and he's talked about it and all of that.
ಕೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಗೆದ್ರು
ಹೌದು. But the sales went down a little bit. But now it's back to normal.
ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮೆಮರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕದ ಅಂತ.
ಮೆಮರಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಯು ನೋ, ಲೈಕ್, ಅಂಡ್ because one company is doing it, they think every company does it. But we are a new age company. We would never, our motivation is not profit. We are a loss making company. Even today we are a fairly loss making company. So our ingredient cost is 60% of the selling price. If you compare that to a FMCG company, that cost is 20% of the selling price.
Wow.
And today if you open my cupboard, what I feed my kid is what I feed my consumer. Arya doesn't get anything different from what everybody else gets.
Arya is your daughter.
Yes.
Okay.
So she gets the same chocos, the same muesli she eats every morning. So she takes that multigrain chocolate energy bar. She doesn't eat chocolate though. She doesn't eat biscuits because biscuits have a lot of hydrogenated fat. So I think consumer memory is quite small.
Okay.
And once you make the switch, you make the switch. So our repeat customer base is very high.
I was told
69%, 70 to 80, like, yeah.
Right. So, ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಟುಡೇ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್, ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಹವ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್.
ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಅಮೆಝಾನ್, ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, that is our only advertising. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೌತ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಂಪನಿ
ಇದು ಆಗಿದೆ.